Recover or disable Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover or disable Instagram account. So there might be several different reasons why the Instagram account has been disabled. Maybe you must have violated the community guidelines. When you go through the steps, what you can do is, first thing, you can try logging into your account, and that should be able to fix it, or that should be able to recover your account. However, if you're unable to recover, or you see an error message as your account has been temporarily disabled or whatsoever, you can wait patiently for at least 24 to 48 hours, and after that you can regain your account. However, that is not the case. Then you can just exit out of your Instagram, and then on the search box you need to type in recover Instagram account. When you go to the following link, then you can just go ahead and select disable Instagram account. So right on this link you'll be provided with a list of article statement on how you can actually go through it, and if you're still unable to fix it, then just go ahead and tap on the no button, and statement as, if somebody has gained access to your account, you can visit this page. Just tap on the link in order to expand it, and here it's going to take you to this field where you can just go ahead and select this option as, such as my account was hacked, and just tap the next button. Then you can just go ahead and type in your username and the phone number or email address accordingly, so that they can verify your identity. After you're done with that procedure, then move on to the next step where you need to type in all of these information. Account, that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.